2025 Landscape Trends. Revitalize your garden with innovative designs and modern sophistication. As we step into 2025, landscape design is taking on a new life, with a set of fresh and innovative ideas that beautifully blend modern elegance with the timeless allure of nature. This year, one of the most captivating trends is the use of focal decor, which emerges as a powerful tool for crafting visually striking garden features. Imagine the impact of a bold sculpture, an enchanting water feature, or a striking centerpiece within your outdoor space. These focal points not only elevate the aesthetics, but also infuse your garden with a sense of balance and visual allure. When paired with lush greenery and thoughtful landscaping, these elements contribute to a harmonious environment that effortlessly invites relaxation and tranquility. In 2025, the focus is on harmonizing contemporary styles with the natural world around us. Envision sleek, minimalist lines intertwined with sophisticated lighting, along with modern furniture pieces that complement the organic forms found in trees, flowers, and natural stone pathways. Sustainability takes center stage in this year's landscape design ethos, emphasizing eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient solutions. As the desire for more sustainable homes and gardens grows, integrating features like rain gardens, green roofs, and native plants becomes essential. These elements not only help to reduce water consumption, but also foster biodiversity, bringing a sense of responsibility and conscientiousness to garden design. As we adopt the 2025 landscape design trends, an emerging movement emphasizes creating spaces that are not merely visually stunning, but also emotionally uplifting. Outdoor living areas designed as cozy seating nooks surrounded by aromatic plants and softened by gentle lighting foster intimate retreats within the confines of your backyard. These comforting spots invite you to unwind, entertain guests, or simply bask in the serene beauty of nature. By transforming your garden into a sanctuary where modern elegance intersects with natural elements, you establish a peaceful oasis that serves as a perfect backdrop for relaxation and inspiration. Imagine, if you will, a garden that not only pleases the eye, but also nurtures the soul. This year's design trends encourage us to think beyond aesthetics, to embrace gardens as spaces for personal reflection and joy. With growing technological advances, integrating smart garden solutions such as automated irrigation systems and smart lighting options becomes not only feasible, but a preferred choice, ensuring beauty is complemented by convenience and innovation. Whether you're drawn to the serenity of a water feature or the charm of carefully curated plant collections, landscape design in 2025 is about creating experiences that resonate on a personal level. Furthermore, there is a noticeable shift towards community-driven spaces within residential landscapes, encouraging interactions and shared experiences. This might include communal herb gardens or shared outdoor decks designed for neighborhood gatherings. Such inclusivity not only enhances the aesthetic attractiveness of landscapes, but also fosters a sense of belonging and cooperation among neighbors. As you weave these trends into your landscape, you are not just redesigning spaces, but also redefining how interactions with nature and community are experienced. Ultimately, the landscape design trends of 2025 challenge us to look beyond traditional boundaries, inviting us to reimagine our gardens as multifaceted environments that reflect our values, creativity, and love for the natural world. By embracing these trends, we step into a new era of gardening that is as much about innovation and sustainability as it is about creating emotional connections and peaceful havens right at home.